autonomous AI agents have arrived. So let me show you the AI tool which I experimented. It's an incredible model called Auto GPT. And this is how you can literally use it right now. So you go to like agentgpt.reworked without E in the middle .ai. So when you go in here, you go in and then you just go to the settings. And then over here, it's giving you a warning of the model which you want to use. And then you can copy paste your key over here. So I will pause it for a minute and then I will start back again. So I'm using GPT 3.5 Turbo, and then I will copy paste my API key by going onto the OpenAI API portal. I'll pause and start it. Okay, so I have added my API key over here in the settings, and it should be ready now. So if you just go in here and just put the name of the agent, whatever name I'm going to put, and then also what the goal is. Let's call it, for example, Twitter GPT. You can call it anything you want. And let's do this. So let's do this, Twitter GPT, and let's do this. So create a plan and write content to help me get 100,000 followers in 1 month. So let's deploy. So it's thinking, analyzing current social media trends, it's creating a personalized content strategy for each social media audience and interests. It's engage with the followers through meaningful interaction. And so it's creating different tasks and then thinking and then coming up with a solution and giving you some more ideas on how to activate. So identify key influencers and engage with them by commenting on their posts, sharing the content, and collaborating with them to reach wider audience. Now, trying to identify top performing content on each platform and create similar content to increase engagement. So here's a quick summary. So it keeps going on and on and on and on and on. So you have to stop the agent to really stop and read what it is suggesting. So we're here. So based on the given objective to acquire 100,000 followers in 1 month, I have created the following plan to execute the task. So first, identifying the target audience. And then based on that, it will create a social media campaign. Then utilizing the most effective social media platforms. So over here, what he's suggesting is use platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook to reach your audience. We will also utilize paid advertising options to enhance your campaign's effectiveness. And then at the end, monitoring the campaign. So it is suggesting me a lot of different ideas. So if you see over here, live Q&A session with your follower to increase engagement, collaborate with social media influencers, all great ideas. Social media contest or giveaway to incentivize your followers. Great idea. Utilize UGC, which is user-generated content by reposting content created by your followers. Great idea. So these are all great ideas. I think if you can maybe provide more focused and targeted goal, I think it will perform a little more better than a much more open-ended question or ended goal, which I provided over here. So this is all it is. And there's a couple of options you can copy, and then you can copy and then paste it on Google Doc and use it, or you can save it. I think create an image of this whole script over here. So you can copy paste and then work accordingly. So this is super simple and nothing complicated. I will continue working on this and then come up with a few new names as well as goals, which is giving me good results. And then I will share with you guys. Hope that it was helpful, and feel free to follow and connect with me. And I'm happy to keep sharing more of these. Thank you.